Chief Minister Nongthom Biren has called for focusing debates in the Assembly on developmental issues for the state rather than engaging in discussions on topics that lack appropriate answers. He made a statement while attending the Tiranga concerts as a part of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, which will be held on August 15. In the event organized by Department of Art and Culture at MSFDS Palace Compound today, Chief Minister N. Biren emphasized the importance of focusing on constructive discussions rather than engaging in topics that lead to no resolution, warning that such debates could be detrimental effects. He highlighted that since 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been promoting the concept of nationalism among Indian citizens with initiatives like Har Ghar Tiranga aimed at fostering unity. Chief Minister Biren urged the police department to organize the Har Ghar Tiranga rally as they have in the past. Meanwhile, he stressed on the importance of addressing geopolitical issues such as conflicts involving Bangladesh and other neighboring countries. He also noted the efforts of various agencies to disintegrate the community unity and called for a prioritization of national interests. He further appealed to the public to participate in the Tiranga rally and Tiranga run.
Bharat mapangal kangan do yaroi ekoi husi ekoi natta ba atai to wakal khanda matam date global ki scenario yembyo ngana nahan Bangladesh thoi ba see a threat to the India neighboring countries in China ki library influence US ki library influence sigi mayam se koi geopolitics se as a citizen of India akoi masi suna thaile ka thambya sigi mayam se koi nei na bata si kanana defend only when India became a strong nation. The assembly the elected members in the we should discuss inside the assembly hall and we should show to the people who is right, who is wrong. And what is the policy of the state? What is the policy of the government? That is the beauty of the democracy. And Mapan Poka, Canada rally attack of foreign rallies attack. That's not the politics. I quite Manunga to Ireland and Canada. Release at Pakambu, Yaninda Kambu, Yanakambu, Canada, Sinaradi, Canada Manzagani. I quite brother, I quite Masin at a Manzagan. Leader Wargadi, emotion to Hadabatambuda. Leader Wargadi, Prada Shinshibu, Haptan, what is happening?